Hey, welcome back to Tom Wood. If you've not been here to our facility recently, we've went through a lot of changes. This is kind of our semi-informal grand reopening. Showroom is totally remodeled. We've got more product in here. We've opened some doorways up. We've redesigned the parts area. And definitely, folks, come on in here. You need to see it for yourself. I think you're really gonna like the aesthetics of everything we've done here, from the paint to the new wall board, all the displays, the products for sure. We've got a full list of inventory here, and we've got more coming in every day. So get in here, see our new showroom. We'd love to talk to you about your next vehicle and create just a stellar ownership experience for you right here at Tom Wood Powersports in Lafayette, also known as Indian Motorcycle of Lafayette. And remember, it's all good at Tom Wood.